Sa kabila ng pagpapahayag ni Benji Paras na hindi break sila Kaylin Alcantara at Kobe Paras at sa mismong interview ay sinabi nito na hindi din niya alam kung bakit binura ng dalawa ang kanilang mga photo sa Instagram, isang tinitig ng basehan ng mga netizen na hiwalay na nga ang dalawa dahil sa ginawang pagbura na ito. Niliwanag ng ama ni Kobe Paras na si Benji Paras na maayos ang samahan ng dalawa at hindi nga ito hiwalay. Sa kabila ng rumored na hiwalayan na ito at sa kabila ng pagliliwanag ni Benji ay wala pa ring statement o confirmation na nagmumula kay Kaylin at Kobe Paras. Kaya naman marami ang nagtataka sa pagtatanggol ng kapatid ni Kobe na si Andre Paras matapos lumitaw ang isang video na kung saan ay tila nasa club at nachichismis na may kasamang babae doon si Kobe Paras at ang nasabing babae ay married na nga raw. But anyway, narito ang naging depensa ni Andre Paras upang ipagtanggol ang kanyang kapatid, especially sa mga content creator na exaggerated at ginagawa lamang ito for the views. Mula kay Andre Paras, narito ang kanyang naging pahayag at pagtatanggol kay Kobe. Kobe is with his friends and is having fun. They are doing it in the right place and time. They are in a club, it's legal to have fun and make noise. They're right. Magtaka po kayo kapag nag-club ang isang tao tapos nagbabasa lang sila. Sila lang ng libro doon o kaya pumunta doon para lang matulog. If you really cared about Kobe, then you will not be doing this at all this. I know what you're trying to do. You're trying to make my brother look like a bad person. Since magaling kayong mag-stalk, di dapat alam nyo yung mga kasama na babae dyan ay mga friend or girlfriend na mga friends ni Kobe. Pero of course, hindi mo sasabihin sa followers mo yan dahil gusto mong gumawa ng issue. Issue for views and views for monetary gains. I understand how addicting it to get views and comments on a social media post. But doing it this way, naku po, using others' name in private life for clicks and views, if you're monetizing this, then it will say a lot about you're trying to do, mom. Don't even try deleting the videos you've made or even blocking me. You're just me tampering with evidence. I am Kuya and I have the right to stand up for him against people like you who only care about making him look bad. Anyway, isang ang pahayag ngayon ang lumulutang din sa social media. Nakalagay doon na lol funny ng mga nagko-comment here sa ugali ni Kaylin and Kobe as if nakakasama nila sila personally. Nung opening right ng bando, I was there with Kobe and our friends while si Kaylin alam namin na she will arrive a little bit later. They didn't arrive together dahil nauna si Kobe for that day because it was their grand opening and was using Kaylin's car. So while Kaylin wasn't there, syempre ang daming nag-approach kay Kobe na girls and guys, congratulating him. The encounters were short but what bothered me and why I am saying this is dahil there were 3 girls that came over Kobe and he had a quiet conversation with them while being unnecessarily touchy. His conversation with one of the girls whose name is Blanc, who I know and is married for 2 years is what bothers me. Kobe gave his phone to her and asked for her Instagram and she made more than happily type it into his IG for him. Ang kapal ng mukha, wallpaper and lock screen pa si Kaylin. I've known Kobe and how his past partner cheated on him and he knows what Kaylin has been through with her past relationship and how she got cheated on multiple times. I feel for her because she trusted me enough to open herself up to me and how her family opened up their home to him. Finding out that he had been messaging Blanc 4 days before Kaylin found out is bluffing to some people in our friend group. I believe that Kaylin is right for breaking up with him and knowing her worth despite loving him so much. Being a girl and needing to make that decision takes a lot of pain and strength, and seeing comments with no basis attacking Kaylin as a woman steers me wrong. Don't get me wrong, Kobe is still my friend but I do not condemn condone cheating, and doing this in front of us is another level of disrespect. I told this to my boyfriend, who is called. Samantala, narito naman ang naging pahayag ng tinutukoy di umano ng nasabing babae. Due to the seemingly random and overwhelming amount of unnecessary hate and death threats I've received in the post 24 hours, I'd like to squash false rumors and allegations going around social media. I never knew making friends and following people on social media was such a big deal. My husband and I, who are happily married now for 2 years, know that this is just a reflection of people boredom and hunger to stream negativity. I hope everyone uses their best judgment when reading or hearing gossip and don't immediately take it as gospel. I'm blessed to have a loving and supportive family and husband who remains by my side through these random times. Thanks. Ang nasabi nga pong video ay kumalat na sa social media at ilang mga comments or ilang nasabi nga pong di umano ay cheating ang lumalabas ngayon sa social media na screenshot ng mga netizen. So Kobe's friends posted some chismis of what he saw Kobe did on Bad. At first, ayaw kong maniwala kasi di ba baka gawa-gawa lang niya, but the fact that Ate Hannah, Kaylin's best friend, reposted it. It also suspicious that all Kobe's friend is now following the girl. Ipinakita pa ang nasabing pag-follow ng mga kaibigan ni Kobe sa nasabing babae. It's also at ang sinasabing BFF ni Kaylin Alcantara na di umano ay parang nag-support sa nasabing balitang ito. Hannah is Kaylin's very close non-showbiz friend. Say pa nila, the fact that the girl is married and has a kids, disgusting karma will get you both. Paratang pa nila, baka nga ginawa mo lang si Kaylin para ma-promote ang mga new business mo, lol. Mula ito sa Kizan Flower TikTok. Anyway, tahimik pa rin si Kaylin at Kobe sa nasabing hiwalayan, pero ayon nga sa isang message, si Kaylin mismo ang nakipaghiwalay matapos makita ang mga text messages. Yan ang ating Showbiz Snap Update. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.